Saiyan Ninja Pandas. I think my hiccups are gone now. Had hiccups earlier. Anyway. Oh, spoke too soon. Anyway, hiccups. Nasty. It's like somebody decided to be all like, here you go, have a bout of whatever's causing them. I don't know. Anyway, funny story about that. My dad, he actually had hiccups for a month. No, seriously. People are, like, even the doctors are a little bit confounded as to why he had the hiccups. So they ended up giving him a drug that would cure his hiccups. And obviously it cured his hiccups because he doesn't hiccup all the time anymore.
That'd be a long process.
Little brother, ladies and gents. Somewhere. There he is.
So,
little brother.
not exactly little, she's the little one.
Whatever. Younger brother.
There you
I should try to stop speaking, but whatever. First vlog. It's short. And it's kind of sassy, but yeah. What can you do, right?
It's kind of like
Hiccups. They might be gone now. I don't want to speak too soon.
Don't call the game before it's over, man.
Still no. But yeah.
You poor soul.
Hiccups. Help. This girl can't really speak complete sentences with these things unless she actually decides to consciously take a break. Okay. Hiccups! Help!
Oh.
Don't laugh, little bro.
The thing that's going on
Don't laugh.
Weekend, that's gonna be funny if you still
Anyway,
have it.
hope y'all are having a wonderful day, evening, whatever. Yeah.
Don't get salty, little sis. And I'm talking size here.
Oh. Well, okay. But anyway, hope you guys are having a blast wherever you guys are, whatever you guys are doing right now. And yeah, thank you so much for checking out my first vlog. Awesome.